It's the head shed, obviously. We're here, it's whatever day it is, it's hideous, I'm having a nightmare. So I got the old press out and started doing things. Now look, this is an E-type one because it's a late E-type because it's got the splash shield on. This is an early E-type one and it never had the water deflector. But look at the difference. I mean, it just seems a shame to use an early shaft into the back of that thing if I don't have to. This obviously was a spline shaft because it's here, so it's not like I'm trying to make, it was both round, they're both round sides. So I'm going to put a new bearing in. I've got my new hub, just wants a bit of a clean up. Well, I say new hubs, reasonably good hub. I don't have a water deflector though for it, and they never had one on it. So I think that was the one with the fat drive shaft as well. So I think maybe that was out of a very early car. Could have been out of something over the years. I've had a few early cars. We've got these assembled. All right, they're odd, but I don't think it's going to make a difference because one's early, one's late, but we'll worry about it when we get to it. Those have now they've got a collar in there, and then you've got like rubber joints, 2 washes each side, and that all seals with grease. Then you've got a tube down the middle, which you got, it all needs cleaning, and that is the 2 wishbones with the lower diff is as you know, like next door. So yeah, we're all right. I hate painting, so please, they might not get paid. Anyway, okay guys. So this is a bit of an ordeal because I'm having a bit of trouble. Obviously, where the sunroof is so rusty, and the top of the A post is so rusty, I've got it in, and I've been measuring, and I've been doing, and I've been measuring, and I've sort of come to a bit of an impasse, and it's sort of a bit of an impasse that, I mean, me thinks that there's no point until I get a windscreen. I haven't got a screen, and at the moment, I think the likelihood of me wanting to go out and shell out 400 quid for a screen is a bit unlikely. So I'm going to say that we did a load of welding, but the card has gone. So I just don't know what's happened. So we sort of jumped about a bit. But anyway, then what I'm going to do next, which is hopefully, if you can see, I've got there she is, Diffie. There's the cage. I've straightened out and repaired it as best I can, welded it out where it was broke. It's not rusty, it was just split. I've sorted out these are all sorted. They're actually new anyway, so they should be all right. Repaired a few of these, found this, fixed the handbrake linkage, found some water pumps. Oh, and also started on the steering column. I haven't got, as I say, a screen. If I had a screen, even a cracked screen, just something to try in the aperture, because that's where I think I'm going to have a problem. I think it's so weak at the top there after he's blasted it, which I did ask him to. I think it's just made it incredibly, so it's tenuous. I've got a few tacks, but I'm scared to show you, because if I show you, I'm sure all the haters are going to go, oh, it's scrap, it's only worth 2 quid when you've done it. So that's never going to be any good, it's rubbish. So I'm not going to show you until I've actually sort of done it. And then when I've done it, then you'll see it. So like I said, for the minute, I think you've just got to bear with me. And as I said before, I'm getting there. I'm getting there slowly. Found some brake flexies, so we're in stock for some of that. So that's not the end of the world. And I'm just looking around me and thinking, I know I've got some hardy splicing joints somewhere, some new ones. I just can't find them. I just know where they went. I think they're in them boxes in the leaking shed. But I don't know, guys. I don't know. I mean, look, you know what it's like. Look at this, chaos. Bloody chaos. And the roof's leaking like a sieve up there. I'm just closing my eyes to that. I'm not even looking. I don't even want to look up there. And I still keep looking around, desperately hoping I'm going to see those boxes, because there's 2 brand new CV joints, universal joints. I know they're here somewhere, and I just don't see where they are. Oh, it's just chaos. It's just chaos. These places are chaos. Right, guys, just a quick one. Yeah, so UJs are in. Pain in the ass. A long story, but anyway, they're in. They're in. They're different odd drive shafts, but they're in. They're done. So I'm not too worried about that. So next thing will be the rear caliper seals to redo. Not those, because they're Aston Martin. So it's got to be those, which are Jaguar. But I've got my thinking cap on about a different idea. And the different idea, which I'm thinking about, it's a bit of a strange one, but you'll see it. It might all okay. I love it when a plan comes together. It might not come together, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try and find some more of those bushes. I know I should have ordered some when I was there, but I didn't, like an idiot. I didn't when I got rid of this bloody... Anyway, I think I've got enough. If not, I can definitely find them. I'm going to find them. I'm not giving up. And I've got a thing missing out of here, which is a bit of a pain. I don't know whether you can see that. And there's one of these studs has gone. One of this for the handbrake linkage, so I'll have to do that and all. But anyway, guys, as I said, I'm going to leave you there. And I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed that little bit of an update. And I hope you enjoyed the fact that, yes, we will be... well, in theory, we will be coming on closer. We're getting closer. We're closer.